this institution. Please remember that you are bringing the emblem of your alma mater, whatever you will do, whatever failure you will meet, and whatever success you will achieve. The Ponilab Academy will always be a part of you. It is painful to bid you farewell. Because you have become a cherished part of our lives and your alma mater's colorful history. However, the assurance that you will live up to our noble expectations is comforting indeed. Remember, only one life will soon be past. Only what's done for Christ will last. May the Lord continue to guide you, bless you, and strengthen you in your new pursuits. And I challenge you to be instruments of love where there is hate, humility where there is pride, wisdom and knowledge where there is ignorance, progress and construction where there is destruction. Let love and peace reign in your hearts in whatever field of endeavor you will find yourselves. I love you all with the love of the Lord. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. God bless.
And to render a special song for the graduates, let us have Rizal Earl, DC de la Cruz, third placer, Princesa Nakundiman, Valpisaa 2nd District, with faculty and administrators.
Come see the dream I'm dreaming. The step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My faith is shaking, but I'm gonna keep trying. Gonna keep my head held high. There's always gonna be another mountain. Always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting.
award is hereby given to Kate Jessica B. Bartolome. Mikadel H. Malyari. Reggie M. Golo. Aya Glenn R. de Guzman. Ang Loyalty Award po ay binibigay natin sa mga estudyanteng dito po nagtapos ng grade 6 at magpapatuloy hanggang high school. May we request all the parents of the awardees to come forward, come up the stage. Yung pong mga mommy and daddy. To you, dear parents, Mr. and Mrs. Bartolome, Mr. and Mrs. Gola, Dr. and Mrs. Malyari, Mr. and Dr. Malyari, Mr. and Mrs. De Guzman, thank you so much for entrusting your children to the care and guardianship of Poly Love Academy for their educational, moral, and spiritual foundation. Rest assured that we do not leave any stone unturned, so to speak, in our steadfast commitment in providing our students high-quality education and molding them to be future leaders in their chosen fields of endeavor. Mga mami and daddy, maraming salamat po. At pinagkatiwala ninyo ang inyong mga anak sa amin. Mami, miss namin kayo.